Hi, Natalie, and Cot, whenever you wake up. So we saw the last two videos. Words cannot express how relieved we are that you're both alive. And I know this is going to take a while to recover from. I mean, when we totally understand if, I don't expect this to be something that will ever be fully recovered from. And that's okay. That's perfectly all right. Just take however much time you need. It's just, we have no ability whatsoever to understand what this must be like for you. None. We have no frame of reference. I just want you to know that we care about you. That we're doing this, whatever it is that we do, it's for you. And we want to help you, and we want to make sure that that never happens again. I mean, I know that for a lot of us, it would be really, really difficult to get to you physically. And even for me, I mean, you're like a good 19-hour drive away from where I am, at least. But seriously, if you guys want somebody else there, physically present, and you're willing to help pitch in for gas, because I'm poor, all you have to do is ask. I will get a few days off work. I will get in my car. I will fill it with as many weapon-like objects as I can find in my house, and I will drive up there. I will do it for you. I will. I don't know how many times I can say that we love you before it just starts sounding cheesy. But it's true. Cog, we hope you get better soon. And Natalie, you too. I mean, I know the physical injuries aren't actually there anymore, but there's still things to heal from. And I hope that you guys, that this doesn't break you. I hope that this doesn't just make you want to give up. Because I believe that we can get you out of this. I believe that this can end. And that's what we want to help you do. We want to make sure that this doesn't happen again. That's all for now, I guess. Like I said, no rush. We aren't asking anything from you right now at all. It's the last thing we want to do is put demands on you after that. But yeah, when you are ready, we'll be here.